The devil was God's first supporter and he was an angel. And this devil was an angel of entertainment. Then when the devil was in heaven, he was dancing more than the master. He was enjoying more than the master. Then he started eating with the master on the same table and he thought that he was also a master. Then the devil, when God noticed that the devil was being truant, God decided to send the devil away because the devil was spreading the seeds of disunity. The devil was spreading the seeds of hatred among God's angels. Then the devil was sent from heaven and dropped on earth to come and disturb us here on earth. That's why siku hizi unaona kuna mashetani wengi sana ambao wanatusumbua hapa duniani. Na hapa Kenya tunasema disloyalty to His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga and disloyalty to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Disloyalty to the two is loyalty to Satan. Now, BBI is a unifying factor. BBI is going to help us fight the shackles of oppression. BBI is going to help us fight the bondage of poverty. And whoever is against BBI, that is the devil's agent. And tunajua huyu jamaa wetu mmoja anatumiwa sana. Maanake hii nchi tunataka unity. When he was with His Excellency the President, he wanted a unified country. But the moment this person when the moment Baba agreed for a handshake to join them together and make one whole country, the person decided to take a different route, different direction. The intention is to divide Kenyans, and I can tell you that you want conversation. Hapa ni kanisa lina promote amani, na mimi naweza kuambia ya kwamba kuna wimbo inasema shetani akanyaga ule kanyaga, akienda live kanyaga, akienda live kanyaga. Kama shetani anakanyagwa,